Here we go. Welcome back to the unit testers. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name's George Ross. The channel is Retro Reselling, and I basically buy and sell all kinds of used, pre-loved, new, vintage, antique, wherever it is, sort of items. I find it out in the wild at boot sales, charity shops, jumble sales, auction, wherever I can find it, wherever I can get it from. I'll buy it cheap with the aim for selling it for a profit online. That's my business. So, the start of 2021. Everyone and their dog has now become a vintage clothing seller pretty much, including myself, and this video is all about buying wholesale vintage clothing. We have another 10 kilogram box here. Here we go. 10 kilograms of hopefully good quality vintage and designer type clothing. Obviously I bought this to sell for profit with the intention of making a profit on my online stores. I mainly sell on eBay, but I'm also taking Depop more seriously. So vintage and sort of Y2K 2000s type clothing hopefully in here to flip on Depop mainly, but I will cross list. Just got to keep an eye out when one sells, take it off the other. Paid, it was £150 for this 10 kilogram box of men's clothing plus postage of I think it's £14, so £164 I've got in this box here, and I'm basically gonna open it up now, show you what I got. I'll be finding out at the same time as you find out as I'm recording this, so should be interesting. A bit of housekeeping I think is necessary from the previous few videos. I have bought this out of my own money. I've not been sponsored, I've not been paid, no freebies, no backhanders, nothing. I've simply bought this to sell because I'm struggling for stock, and I'm simply making a video sharing what I got. If it's really good in here, then it's nothing to do with this channel. If it's really bad, then I'm sending it back. If you do order one off the back of this video, then take it with a pinch of salt. You won't get exactly what's in here. You might get better, you might get worse, you might get the same. Just wanted to do that so you know there's no links to me and this company. And this company today is Preloved Kilo. Now usually I go to their kilo sales in and around the country. They set up sort of shops for the weekend. I've been to like the Chelmsford one. They also do one in Southend. They basically hang up everything they've got in a room or in Chelmsford in a cathedral. And you basically pay per the kilogram, which is £15 per kilogram, and you can handpick whatever you want. Weigh it out, pay your money, off you go. Obviously that hasn't happened for a year or just over a year now. So they've gone online, and their 10 kilogram boxes seem to be regarded as one of the best to get. So they sell out fast. I think they're sold out right now. 10 kilogram option 1, which is the men's load. Yeah, and I've managed to get one, and another one's coming on the way already. So bit of a risk, but let's find out what I'm gonna get. Let's open this up. Paper tape as well, so no knife needed. Okay. Actually, if I put this next to me. Okay, interesting. Let's go. Price wise, I'm gonna be guessing, to be honest. Sort of know roughly what I'm gonna be hoping to get, but this is more what I'm gonna be listing them for on eBay and Depop. And we're starting off with a Fred Perry medium polo. So maybe something that's not as worth as much. So yeah, a decent start. This is probably, I'm guessing, £12, maybe 15 top end. Listed on Depop and eBay, like I said. Nothing special, but a decent start. I'll whack him here. Next up. Well, this is definitely vintage. Look at this. The tag on it is Simply Basics. Size 2XL polyester, made in China. Probably a bit of a weak start there. Wacky pattern, big size. Again, probably £12–15. Hopefully sells on Depop. Not the best thing, but still definitely vintage. So it should definitely sell when spring starts, the sun comes out. Okay. Got a big swoosh. So we've got some Nike now. Nike Brazil t-shirt with the football badge on the back, which is very cracked actually. So condition isn't very good. So that's going to obviously affect the price and selling. So a bit of a weak start, to be honest, which is not very encouraging. So yeah, Nike Brazil, not the best condition. Might have to use this as a rag, to be honest, my polishing rag for my shoes and that. Might list it, give it £8–10, give it a month or two. Yeah, a bit disappointing. Hopefully things improve. Looking more encouraging. Nice heavy sort of check outer shirt. Teddy Smith, custom made. Yeah, Teddy Smith, there we go. Slightly heavier like type item, feels a bit more quality. Probably going to say £15–18 plus postage on that one, so a bit better than these ones to start. Oh, I like this one as well. Sort of a pink salmon-y type Umbro sweater. Definitely bigger size, like oversized, extra large. People like wearing things oversized at the moment, which would suit this down to the ground. Nice and clean. Nice colour on it. Umbro. £15–18 again, I reckon, on Depop. Yeah, more of a decent item there. And something like this is going to sell quicker than something like at the start, I reckon. Definitely in fashion at the moment with the youngsters. Oh, nice big logo on this one. Big logo Adidas hoodie. Again, nice big size. It seems like in good condition. Slightly faded with age. Extra large. Good name, good big logo on it. Again, probably 15–18, pushing £20 maybe. It's like wearing the cuffs. But yeah, a better item again. More encouraging now. Hopefully starting slow, we're going to build up to some really good bangers. Love it, Adidas. More of a modern one. Small logo, nice and clean. Size large men's. Yeah, standard stuff, full zip. Yeah, again, £15–18. Hopefully pushing 20. Good condition. Yeah, definitely getting more encouraging now. Got another hoodie. We've got Hummel this time. Full zip top. Zipped pockets. Quite a cool arm design there. Small size, but seems more medium, slightly bigger. With my clothing listings now, I will do measurements pit to pit, so literally armpit to armpit. That's sort of a better indicator of size. And I could also, if I really want to, do the length as well. So on the back, I'll do from the back of the neck all the way down to the hem. I think that's called the hem. Yeah, that way people will know their size a bit more. So instead of going by the tag size, it'll be actual measurements. So hopefully that'll decrease returns. What have we got here? Another hoodie. We've got a Nike now, pullover, so no zip, pockets in the middle, nice swoosh design. Actually, a bit of a different design on the neck there. Don't know if you can see that. It's like a crossover type design. Yeah, a bit different. Quite like that. Size men's medium. Quite like that myself actually. I'll try not to keep it. Again, that price range, 15–18. Hopefully pushing 20 plus postage. Hopefully it goes on Depop again. The stock is definitely getting better as we're going on. Oh, got a bit of Ralphie. Oh, this is nice. Ralph Lauren polo. Looks like a coat, like a jacket, light jacket. Perfect for spring. Sort of a brown colour. Quite a cool neck design under the collar. That check design. Men's small, but again, I'll measure the pit to pit. So ideally I want it to be a bit bigger. If it was like a medium large going to extra large, that would be better, but it's probably the best item so far. Perfect season going into spring. When you don't want a full coat on, a bit of a light jacket. Good name on it, good condition again. Definitely the best item so far. Hopefully, I want to say 25, maybe £28 plus postage. Yeah, I really like that. More of that, please. Oh, look at this. Shiny red. Puma. Looks like a F1 driver's type jacket. So I don't know what design that would be called. There's the back. Got some shoulder design going on there. Yeah, that looks pretty cool actually. Puma, size large. Yeah, this one's intriguing. It's like a racer type jacket, which is quite cool. So I'm not sure on price. I'm going to guess at 18–20 again. I'll do a bit of research and hopefully it'll come out a bit more than that. Really cool design. Again, definitely a stronger item in this box. Got some jogging bottoms now, or tracksuit bottoms. Adidas, 3 stripes, navy. Bit of a zip at the bottom there, which is quite cool. Size UK 8, so they're a women's size. What's that? That's probably like 28 or 30 inch waist there. Clean condition. Yeah, simple seller. Should sell straight away. Again, Adidas tracksuit bottoms. These are black this time. Bit of a zip on the bottom again. Black in colour. These are definitely men's. The tag's slightly faded, so I can't actually see the size, so I'm going to have to measure myself. But that's definitely more of a 32–34 inch waist, so they might fit me actually. Nice zip pockets. Yeah, really nice. Again, should sell nice and easy. Hopefully on Depop again, trying to increase that store if I can. Hopefully a nice £20 there, maybe 18 again, sort of that average price range. A bit of denim, like a bit of denim myself. We've got, what's this? Guest Club, size medium, really nice. Nice dark design. Again, good clean condition, no smell or anything, so perfect, ready to list straight away. Price wise, again, have to do a bit of research, but hopefully £20–25 plus a bit of postage. Again, going into spring, so denim jackets should sell fast as well. Whoa, hello. Onto tops now, tracksuit tops. Got Alessi, I think that's how you say it, Alessi size medium men's, really nice. Like that myself again. Nice hood on it, pockets, handy, put your phone in that in if you're going for a run or just day to day. Yeah, really like that. Just looking for damage, no marks on it that I can see at first glance. Again, hopefully £20 there, hopefully. Again, have to go on competition, see how fast they sell through on eBay or what the competition is on Depop. But it should be at least, yeah, £15–18 plus postage. Picture it, easy post, easy pack. Store it in my boxes, yeah, no problem. Should be a fast seller. A few more. Another tracksuit top. Got Nike this time. No hood on it, just a full zip, navy colour with a large logo on the back. Nice and clean again. Size large. Yeah, £15–18. Hopefully 20. Same story. Nice and clean, easy to store, easy to pack. Cross list it on eBay and Depop, and hopefully it flies out. More slip up tops. We've got Adidas this time, white and navy arm. Yeah, again, standard thing. Size, vintage tag now, 40–42. US medium. Looks like a large to me. Again, pit to pit measurement. Make sure people know what they're buying instead of just going on the tag. Vintage sizing could be a bit everywhere. So yeah, the more measurements I put on, the more likely it is to sell and less chance of it being returned. Another Adidas. This definitely looks retro on that logo on the breast there. Navy and red, really nice. Yeah, definitely retro. Size small. So again, ideally I would want it to be a bit bigger. Still looks cool. Again, nice and clean. Zip pockets, which is cool. Because it's a bit older, I think this tag is sort of 80s going into the 90s. Don't know if that'll pick it up. So hopefully age is on its side and I can ask 20–25 plus postage. Should sell no problem, but with the smaller sizing might linger around a bit, and again depending on competition, if there's lots to choose from on Depop and eBay, obviously it's going to linger around. That's the downside of clothing. It's easier to get, there's an abundance of it, so you're competing a lot more. This stuff might not necessarily fly off the shelf, but yeah, good condition, nice and clean, doesn't smell or anything, so shouldn't be any problems. Again, two more items. Another track top, Adidas, black and white. Yeah, again, just checking it over for condition. A slightly more modern one, we've got Adidas Climber Cool. UK size large, nice and clean, nice and light as well for training and things. That price range again, hopefully 15–18, pushing 20. See how it goes, accept offers. Yeah, perfect again. Last item, and that's the box empty. That's a nice box actually to reuse. Hopefully get an electronic in there when they sell. And last item we have for this haul video is another Adidas. Nice grey type one, dark grey, size extra large apparently, European extra large. Again, do the pit to pit, so it's an accurate sizing for potential buyers. £15–18. That story again. And that's what my £164 has got me. A nice haul of clothing. Obviously we started off a bit weak, like with this patterned top. It's vintage, but not necessarily something I'd hand pick myself. And then we got something that I might just use as a rag or just donate straight away. I don't think this will sell, especially with the faded club crest on the back. Don't know if it comes up, but it's definitely cracked and faded and things, so that's a bit of a letdown. But overall, I'm fairly happy with that. We've got this is probably my favourite actually, the Ralphie zip up jacket. I really like that. I'll try not to keep that if it does fit me. But yeah, we've got hoodies, like branded hoodies with Nike on, Adidas. Got this cool one that I'm going to do a bit more research on. Looks like a racing jacket type. That's cool. And then the standard sales, like bread and butter sales, bill payers, all these track tops into spring, people working out or just want like athletic leisure wear type thing. Overall, very happy, and I'm quite glad I did order another box actually, because they sell out fast. Overall, good quality stuff, nice and clean. Only a couple of like iffy items really. But looking at the whole picture, yeah, I'd give it like out of 10. If we're doing it out of 10, I'm going to say a solid 7.5 out of 10 for quality, condition, range of items and things like resale value. Yeah, so thanks Preloved Kilo. Hopefully you bring in some much needed profit for the start of the year. Sales were good this week for me. I actually got into 4 figures for the first time in a long time. So that was good. The announcement yesterday by Boris, hopefully boot sales are back in April, I think that counts as non-essential retail. I have to see. So yeah, just keep grinding. Hopefully things will get better as the months go on, tick along. Boot sales will be back, getting out there, sunshine out. Yeah, things are looking good, hopefully. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this and you're not subscribed already, do me a favour, hit that subscribe button. And there's a bell next to it if you want to be notified as soon as I upload new videos, or as soon as I go live, you want to join in on the action, smash that bell and you'll get notified. I think that's how that works. If you've done all that, you want some extras from me behind the scenes or just extra hints and tips, I have a membership as well. The join button should be down below. I have a few tiers and that. Yeah, really appreciate the support and help. That's me done. I'll go get on with picturing all this like that and get selling it, ready for the next box. So thanks for joining me. Hope you learned something and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.